What's up? It's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, it would mean so much to me. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I've hit 500 subscribers on YouTube. I started about 3 months ago, and so I've averaged out to about 166 subscribers per month. I think that's absolutely amazing. I have absolutely loved YouTube for so long. It's always been a dream of mine to start my own channel, and so to everyone who supported me, thank you honestly from the bottom of my heart. This just means so much to me, and so people who watch my videos and support me, thank you so much. If you guys are curious on how to hit 500 subscribers and how to start your own YouTube channel, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of these struggles I kind of went through, the apps that I've used. Most of the things that I have used have been really inexpensive, so if you guys are curious on how to start off your channel and keep the budget down and just kind of start off, you don't want to spend too much money when you're starting your channel because you don't want to spend all the money and then decide that you don't really like making videos. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I started off with and all the apps that I've used and everything like that. I hope you guys like this video, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing is mindset. I watched a lot of videos on how to start off your YouTube channel because I was curious what other people were saying, and people were saying that you should have a certain idea in your head on why you should be starting off your channel, and it shouldn't just be for money and stuff like that. I just wanted to go ahead and say, as long as you have passion, then it doesn't really matter why you're starting off your channel. If you want to make money and you're consistent, then your channel is going to be successful. If this is your dream and you're consistent, then your channel is going to be successful. So the key here is passion. I just want to start off by saying that, because I know other people could be turned off by watching those videos and people saying, well, it takes so long to make money. But as long as you have a passion for making money and you consistently upload, then you will most likely be successful. And if this is your dream and you consistently upload, then you'll most likely be successful. So I just want to start off by saying that. As for your setup, the three most important things are your camera, your lighting, and where you are filming. As for your backdrop, you just want to make sure that it's clean. So it doesn't really matter where you're filming or if you have a backdrop, as long as it's clean and there's no distractions from what you're talking about. You don't have to invest in a backdrop. Your room or wherever you're at is fine as long as it's clean and no one's looking at, a bunch of clothes on the floor or on your bed or something. Then it doesn't matter where you film as long as there's no distractions. The second thing we're going to be talking about is lighting. I honestly use a ring light because I like to have the freedom of filming whenever and wherever I want to. That's the only thing I invested in when I started my YouTube channel. My ring light was the newer ring light from Amazon. It was only $100, and I know $100 is a lot, but this is all I invested in, and I'm really happy about it. But you don't have to invest in lighting as long as you can film during the daytime using natural lighting. I just invested in a ring light because most of the time I film at nighttime, and it's kind of harder to get better lighting if your house doesn't have great lighting. So I invested in the newer ring light. If you guys want to see a review on that, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And as for your camera, you can definitely use just an iPhone, your laptop camera, whatever you have works as long as you're comfortable filming on it. I'm going to show you guys the camera I use. I got this for Christmas. It is a used camera, but it's really nice. It's a Canon PowerShot SX40HS. I really like it. It works for me. I got that one for Christmas, so I got really lucky. And the reason why I like to use a camera instead of my phone is because I like to put notes in my phone. But I've seen really quality videos on iPhones, so don't be scared to just use your iPhone or your laptop or whatever you have as long as you're comfortable filming on it. So that's what I use for my setup. Everything's going to be linked in the description bar below. So thumbnails are key here, guys. Make sure that you're putting just as much effort into your thumbnail as your video. I used Canva when I first started off on making my thumbnails, and now I use PicMonkey. But Canva is free. I'm not sure about PicMonkey. I did invest into the paid version of PicMonkey because I wanted all the extra little tools. But they both have the option to create the thumbnail dimensions, which is 1280 by 720. So that's awesome. I would definitely make sure that you make your thumbnails as attention grabbing as possible. So putting whatever is in your title kind of into your thumbnail in really large lettering so that way people can see what the video is about so they click on it. But definitely make sure that you're putting in effort into your thumbnail. As for editing, I just use iMovie and CuteCut Pro. I used iMovie when I first started off. I just now bought CuteCut Pro when I hit 500 subscribers. So iMovie is absolutely amazing. It's an app on your iPhone. It makes it really easy to edit when you don't know how to. So I would definitely recommend iMovie. I just moved up to CuteCut Pro because I have more subscribers now and I just thought I would treat myself. It's only $4.99 and I get a lot of more of things that I can do on CuteCut Pro that I couldn't do on iMovie. So I would definitely recommend starting off really cheap and simple with your editing apps, because you can get softwares anywhere up to $300 and more for editing. And I think that when you're starting off, you should start off with something simple so that way you kind of get used to editing before advancing up. Eventually, I'm sure I will, invest into software, but right now CuteCut Pro and iMovie work amazingly for me. So those are the editing apps I use, and you can definitely check those out because I think they're really simple and easy to use. Another really big thing is content, guys. You want to make sure that what you're posting about is what you're passionate about, but also doing challenges and tags when you first start off is a really good way to make people watch your other content. So for example, I'm really passionate about hair, and I've posted hair videos on my channel, but I also post challenges and tags because it gets people to come to my channel, and it's also a fun way for people to get to know you. So I definitely recommend when you first start off doing popular videos along with other videos that you're passionate about. That will really come through on your channel to your viewers, and it'll make more people subscribe to you because they can tell that you enjoy making the video. So content is important, making sure that you're passionate about what you're posting and making sure that you're posting things also that people are going to watch and want to subscribe to you to see more videos. Make sure that you're putting in your tags and your description. I know this doesn't sound that important, but it's actually what YouTube uses to suggest your videos to other people. So making sure that you put as many tags as they allow you to that is relative to your video, and also putting in a description so that way YouTube is suggesting you to other viewers, and so that way people are actually watching your content. Make sure that you're doing this with every single video. I know it can seem tedious, but it's actually super important to do. So make sure you're tagging your video, you're putting in a description of your video. Networking. Make sure that you post your videos on all the social media sites that you have or that you use, so that way your friends, your family, and your followers can all see it that you're making YouTube videos. When you first post on YouTube, a lot of people aren't going to see your videos because there are millions of people creating content. So make sure that you're putting it out there that you're making videos so people know that you're making videos. It really works well for me because not everyone's going to know that you're starting YouTube. So just putting it out there that you're starting a channel so that way everyone can support you. And then once you get subscribers, then that's when you can kind of network through YouTube. So leaving thoughtful comments on your subscribers' videos is gonna make them want to leave thoughtful comments on your videos. So making sure that you're networking it through YouTube and leaving comments on your subscribers page so that way they can leave a comment on your page. So a lot of my subscribers have actually found me, which I think is kind of important. You don't want to just go around on everyone's video and being like sub for sub. I have found other small YouTubers that I have enjoyed, and I've commented on their video that I would like to support them if they would like to support me, but I already subbed to their channel because I like their content. You don't want to go around and just comment on everyone's videos sub for sub because it's just not going to work out for you. Those people are most likely not going to watch your videos. So watching people's videos and leaving thoughtful comments is how to grow your channel. Only leaving comments on videos that you actually enjoy, and only subscribing back to people that you'll actually watch their content. You don't want to just do sub for sub, and that's a big thing that I've learned. When I first started, when people would be like, oh, sub for sub, I was like, oh, they're just, we're going to support each other, but it's not how that ends up working out. So making sure that you like other people's content and you sub back to those people, so that way it creates more of a strong bond because you actually watch their videos and they actually watch your videos. So networking, making a really strong base using Facebook, Instagram, and networking through your YouTube channel. And that is the last tip that I have for you guys. Those are all the things that I have used and I've learned to create my YouTube channel. Honestly, it has been such a fun thing for me. I really appreciate, again, everyone who subscribed to me. It means so much. Stay consistent, be passionate, and people are going to find your YouTube channel and hopefully fall in love with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me if you guys subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.